Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing just a simple product overview of Yeedi C12 PRO Plus robot vacuum and mop. It comes with a couple of spare extra parts, a second mop head, and a sleek self-charging and cleaning station with a 7-week dust storage and bagless dust container. It's huge. But I'm going to do this overview because it's not only versatile and convenient for hard floors and carpets and rugs, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So the Yeedi C12 PRO Plus has a vacuum mode and a mop mode. It has a runtime of up to 300 minutes and allows you to schedule different times of the day and week to perform its cleaning through the app. But we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. The first is we've got different types of floors and we wanted something that could vacuum effectively on all of them and also had the capability of mopping our kitchen floors. They tend to kind of get sticky with our kids, and so it's nice to have something that'll not only vacuum but also mop as well. The second reason is, because we got kids who are constantly making messes, but they often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that we just wanted something that would mindlessly clean throughout the day and be able to pick it up as well. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but he sheds all the time. So we wanted something that would effectively remove his hair from our carpet and the corners of the rooms where it begins to collect without us noticing. So if you're looking for a robot vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about how to set it up. So once you've removed all of the strips and plastic linings, you simply plug into the charging station into the wall, and then you set the robot into its spot, and this little light will begin to pulsate, meaning that it's charging. And then you can access and operate the C12 in a couple of different ways. The first is through the app, which requires a little bit of syncing up, but then allows you more control overall in deciding where to have it clean, etc. It also allows you to map out the area as well. And then the second is just by manually pressing this button here to have it start, stop, or return to its base. So I found that initially that it was just easiest to charge it up and then manually take off and begin cleaning because I wasn't really sure where to actually put the charging station on our main floor. That was both, discreet and hidden, so our little boys couldn't find it and tear it out of the wall, while it was still able to actually return to the station without a door or something being shut and preventing it from returning. Why I love it right off the bat though is its real-time learning feature. So once it begins cleaning, it also begins learning its surroundings, and it does this by simply bumping into everything and learning from its surroundings. One of the cool features is it has this little head that turns in 360 degrees, and it's always sensing the parameter, and so it can get really close to things like furniture and tables and other things like that and not touch it, but know that it needs to stop and then redirect its course. It's really cool. Another thing that I love is how it's able to get below furniture and couches in areas that I could never get to with a stick vacuum unless I completely moved the furniture. And that's been really fantastic. Another thing is that it has a 300-minute runtime. So I can easily clean the entire main floor of our house that has carpet, rugs, tile, and hardwood flooring. So the living room, kitchen, dining room, mud room, powder bathroom, the entry room, the master bathroom, closet, and master bedroom. And it can do that 3 times over. Then when it's done, it just scoots its little behind back into the charging station. It empties out everything it's collected, and then it is good to go and begin cleaning again. And then if anything ever gets clogged, all you need to do is simply flip the little guy over and then pinch these parts here to remove the brush and then get anything that is either stuck or clogged. Another cool feature is how it finds its way back to the station, even if you move it. Through some magic, all you need to do is just press this button here, and then it will communicate back with the station and find its way back to it, even if you move the station during its cleaning session. And then applying the mopping feature is simple as well. So before swapping them out, what I like to do is I like to fill it up here with water. Sometimes I'll add soap or essential oils just to kind of spruce up the smell while it's cleaning. And then you simply swap out the vacuum head for the mopping head until it clicks into place, and then it's off to the races in mopping away. But I would say that the best benefit of all is how much convenience it's added to my life. My wife and I were deep cleaning and vacuuming our main floor twice a day. And it took a ton of time. And this has allowed us to really vacuum once a week and mostly just focus on the furniture, on the top of the cushions. And just after having it for 2 weeks, it has made this investment worth it because what it's done is it's been able to recuperate time lost that I would have either spent vacuuming or mopping otherwise. So only suggestion is to make sure that you do a quick pickup before it starts vacuuming, especially with cords or strings, as it'll kind of gobble them up and then it'll choke off the entire machine. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to both vacuum and mop to your heart's desire. So yeah, it's great, especially for its convenience and giving you back time to your schedule to do other things. So that's my product review of the Yeedi C12 PRO Plus, and if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.